Welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss the latest developments in cybersecurity. How AI-powered cybersecurity systems use machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time. In the age of digital transformation, the need for effective cybersecurity measures has never been more critical. Cyber attacks can cause significant damage to an organization's reputation, finances, and customer trust. That's why companies are turning to AI-powered cybersecurity solutions to mitigate these risks. AI-powered cybersecurity systems are designed to detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time using machine learning algorithms. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. In the case of cybersecurity, machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to detect patterns and anomalies that indicate a potential threat. These algorithms can identify patterns in data that humans might not be able to detect, such as subtle changes in network traffic or abnormal user behavior. For example, let's say an employee in your organization receives an email with a suspicious attachment. The AI-powered email security system can scan the attachment for malicious code and prevent the email from reaching the employee's inbox if it poses a threat. This process happens in real time, so the employee is protected from the attack before they even have a chance to open the email. AI-powered cybersecurity systems are also capable of learning from past incidents and adapting to new threats. As these systems detect and respond to new threats, they learn from these experiences and improve their ability to detect and prevent future attacks. This means that as cybercriminals become more sophisticated, AI-powered cybersecurity systems become more effective at stopping them. Another advantage of AI-powered cybersecurity systems is that they can operate 24/7 without the need for human intervention. This means that organizations can maintain a high level of cybersecurity without the need for a dedicated team of security professionals. Instead, the AI-powered cybersecurity system can handle the bulk of the work, freeing up employees to focus on other tasks. AI-powered cybersecurity systems are used in a variety of applications, including network security, email security, and endpoint security systems. Network security systems use machine learning algorithms to monitor network traffic and detect potential threats, such as malware, phishing attacks, and other types of cyber attacks. Endpoint security systems, on the other hand, protect individual devices, such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets, from cyber attacks. These systems can detect and prevent malware infections, phishing attempts, and other types of attacks that target individual devices. Finally, email security systems use machine learning algorithms to scan emails for potential threats, such as spam, phishing attempts, and malware. These systems can prevent malicious emails from reaching employees' inboxes and protect organizations from the financial and reputational damage that can result from a successful cyber attack. In conclusion, AI-powered cybersecurity systems are a critical tool for organizations looking to protect themselves from cyber attacks. By using machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent threats in real time, these systems can protect organizations from a wide range of cyber attacks. If you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity and how to protect your business, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.